to identify the virus.
It's possible the virus could have been spread. In February, the U.S. reports its first
Ah, 2020. A year we shall never forget. I think 2020 might have been the worst year for a lot of people. Being stuck inside is a lot for anyone, as the numberless days went by, frightening many people to see what the next months will bring. From strange sightings to bizarre fires, we went through a lot, especially as individuals. I find myself struggling to make it up that last hill, and I wanted to show others that even though many of us didn't do much in 2020, it has brought us full circle into our past memories. And from that, I decided to look at the bright side of things. See, during 2020, I was able to look back at past creations, finding myself revisiting those places. And I know many don't have these cool gadgets or these ideas, or even the ability to travel locally. But that doesn't matter. What matters is that moment. We can't forget those key memories, the most memorable ones, no matter how big or small. And being a creator is so much more than just cool equipment and travel. Being a creator is capturing our most proud and memorable moments. And this is why I like being a creator. Here's to 2021. See you guys in the next one.